Hi, welcome to the Mainframe Tracker tutorial video. Tracker simplifies online ordering, scheduling, payment, and tracking of your project's concrete and materials through an easy-to-use, fast, collaborative, compliant, and integration-capable application. Through the use of the Tracker mobile application and web interface, a custom project report is generated that includes a driver safety checklist, detailed weather points, notes, pictures, videos, and any other files selected, such as project-related test data. To log into Tracker, go to the Surface Tech homepage. Here, click on Mainframe and select Tracker Login, or go to eTools and select Login to Tracker to access mainframe applications. You'll notice there are three categories on the login page: Contractor, Logistics, and ReadyMix. Each of these disciplines has its own login, but provides a project-related collaboration on the portal. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select the Contractor category. Once a category is selected, you'll be prompted to type in your username and password to log in. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the My Account page. Here, you'll find an account dashboard that allows you to verify or edit contact information and change or reset your password if needed. There's also a step-by-step guide on how to submit new orders, choose a ReadyMix company, schedule deliveries, make payments, and track orders. You can check the address book to look for project locations. The address book can also be used to select a project address from a previous entry or enter a new one. Go to My Orders to check which orders are pending, in progress, or completed. You can either search for an order by clicking the magnifying glass or clicking Details under Action tab for project-specific information. For all completed orders, you can also fetch project reports by clicking Download Report. Project reports are completed and compiled via Tracker mobile application. Tracker Mobile offers transparency and real-time insight among the logistics partner, ReadyMix, and contractor. On the pop-up window, check the details you want included in the report and click Download. At this point, your project report will be displayed as a PDF. The project report will include all the previously selected items on the checklist. There will also be links to pictures and files you will be able to access. Simply click on the link and the asset will be displayed, as seen here. The project reports can be emailed to anyone, including stakeholders, by clicking Email Report on the Order Details page. Use Payment Settings to choose or add a method of payment. Now, to initiate a new order, first go to the RMX directory to select a company based on region or type of offering. Select ReadyMix Provider and choose the desired material by clicking Add. Once the material is chosen, select the quantity, including any other additives desired, and click Add to Cart. Now, you can either continue to add more products or check out. Let's click Checkout. Here, once you've submitted a zip code and specified a preferred date and time for delivery, click Checkout. This is where you need to enter the billing address, shipping address, and specific notes, which will be forwarded to the ReadyMix provider. Next, select a method of payment, which may include credit card, ACH, or credit purchase. Payments can also be customized for invoicing. Once selected, review your order. After your review and approval, simply click Place Order. You'll be directed to a screen that confirms the order. Now, the order is with the ReadyMix provider for review, acceptance, and ultimately dispatched to a logistics partner by the ReadyMix provider. At this point, congratulations! You've completed your order in the system. It's simple, right? Tracker, a leading concrete and materials delivery platform that makes placing and tracking online orders a breeze. Thank you.